Hi Tom, this is Tiffany at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover. I want to thank you for inquiring on the 2017 Tucson SE Plus. I have the perfect car for you right here. This is the SE Plus. It's black exterior and beige interior. It's got leather. It has everything you were looking for. It's a 5-star safety rating. Give me a call. My number is 205-380-6250. The best thing about this vehicle is America's best warranty. 5 years, 60,000 mile new car warranty, 5 years unlimited roadside assistance, and 10-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. We exclusively double that here at Tameron to 20 years, 200,000 miles on the powertrain. Give me a call, come see me. I'd love to talk with you.